Yo, this AC, you already know, and this is a magnum airsoft gun. Show you some stuff. It can't shoot like when you pull the trigger. You gotta cock the cock that back and then just yeah. And I think the coolest thing about it is right there's that little button. Pop that out. Look at that. Got the shells. Then you can push them just out like this. Hope y'all see this. Just a fail. Then look in the chamber. Look in the chamber. See that? Hold it up to the light. See, look through there. Then you can just close it. And just keep busting that, folks. Well, comment and subscribe. This is a magnum airsoft gun. Yeah, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace.